Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Apple B. Gagabete. This is third session. So, magpapakilala muna ang aking duty na si...
I'm Adeline M. Domingo. I'm grade 6 matatag and 12 years old.
Okay, ngayon is we will continue the story of the Tale of the Three Brothers. So ngayon is pakikinggan kita kung naalala mo pa yung mga words na or mga binasa mo about sa The Tale of the Three Brothers, and then pagkatapos mong magbasa, ay questionin kita about sa binasa mo. Okay ba? Clear ba?
Yes.
Okay, basahin mo.
The Tale of the Three Brothers. There were once the three brothers who were traveling along a lonely winding road at twilight in time. Too dangerous to swim, the brothers reached a river too deep to wade through and too dangerous to swim across. However, these brothers were learned in the magical arts, and so they simply waved their wands, made a great apron across the dangerous water. There were always a ruse. It way out of three new victims, for travelers harshly drowned in the river. But death was cunning. He protected the three brothers upon three magical and said that each hand earned a prize of the beginning clever enjoy to event him. So the oldest brother, who was a combative man, asked for a one more powerful than any in the extents, a one that must always win battles for its owner, a one worthy of a one wizard who had conquered death, so that had a close to an elder tree on the banks of the river, fashioned a wand from a brush the hung there, and give it to the oldest brother. Then the second brother, who was an arrogant man, decided that he wanted to humiliate that stakeholder and asked for the powerful to recall order from death. So that picked up a stone from the river bank and gave it to the second brother and told him that the stone would have the power to bring back the dead. Finally, that turned to the third brother, a humble man. He has from something the would enable him to go forth from that place which would begin follow the death, and so it was that reluctantly handed over his own cloak of irreversibility. In the due course, the brothers shipwrecked each for his own detention. The first brother traveled for a week or more and reached a distant village, shot out a fellow wizard with how he had a quarrel naturally with the elder one has his weapon. He could not fail to win the you that followed, leaving his enemy dead upon the floor. That oldest brother rooted to an end where he got from grasp of the powerful wand which he had stanched from death himself and who and of who it made. It made he invisibly that every night other wizard creep upon the oldest brother as he lay solden upon his bed. His the great took the one and for good measure sleep the oldest brother drought and so that took the first brother for his own. Meanwhile, the second brother journeyed to his own home, where he lived alone. Here he struck out the stone, which had the power to recall that death and turned it thrice in his hand. To his amazement and delight, the figure of the girl he had once hoped to marry before he here untimely death appeared at once before him. Yet she was sad and cold. She stead from him has turned by truth, turned by a will truth. She had returned to the mortal world. She did not truly belong there, and so fled. Finally, the second brother, driven mad by hopeless longing, kill himself, so has to truly join here, and so that took the second brother for his own. But third that screech for the third brother. For many years he was never able to find him. It was only when he had attained a great age that the youngest brother finally took off the clock of invincibility and give it to his son, and then his great death has an old friend when with him bluntly and has realized they
So, ngayon ay tatanungin na kita. Okay? Sige, sulat ko lang ito. Story. So, what is the title of the story?
The Tale of the Three Brothers.
So, what is the oldest brother?
Combative man.
So, what is the second brother?
Arrogant man.
So, what is the third brother?
Humble man.
So, wait lang. Sino ang nagbigay ng tatlong mahiwagang bagay sa tatlong magkakapatid?
Si Kamya ay isang
Kam?
si Kamya ay isang
Hindi. Ulit. Sino ang nagbigay ng tatlong mahiwagang bagay sa tatlong magkakapatid?
si kamatayan.
So, anong unang hiniling ng panganay na kapatid? Isang
Kas
na
na bato
hindi na isang napakalakas
isang
na
napakalakas na bato
hindi
na
pang
pangyarihan na bato para
hindi isang kapangyarihan na
kayang buhayin
hindi na kayang makatalon sa
ka kalangita
kalaban.
laban.
Ulit nga. Ano ang unang hiniling ng panganay na kapatid? Isang
nakapalakas na kalaban.
Hindi, isang napakalakas na
Yarihan na
Kaya.
kayang talunin ang kalaban.
Okay. So, ano ang hiling ng the second brother?
The second brother,
Isang? Hindi,
isang bato na kayang buhayin ang mga patay.
Okay, tama. Ano nga ulit ang aral na makukuha mo sa story na inyong binasa? Na iyong binasa?
Matalino
Ang pagiging
matalino at pagkukumbaba
ay ulit nga, anong aral na makukuha mo doon? Ang pagiging
pamatalino at pagkukumbaba
ay mas mahalaga kaysa sa
pangyarihan.
ano nga ulit ang aral na nakuha mo?
Ang
Ang
pagiging matalino at pagkukumbaba sa
ay
pangyarihan.
hindi ay mahalaga
na
kaysa
sa
kapangyarihan. Okay, tama. Okay, ngayon dito na po nagtatapos ang aming session 3. Okay, hanggang sa muli.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye. Pindutin mo.
Bye-bye.